In this video, I will guide you on how to deactivate Messenger account. Before deactivating Messenger account, you first have to deactivate your Facebook account. So for that, go ahead and launch open the Facebook app, then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From here, select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Here, find the option of Account Center, tap on that. Now you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of Manage Accounts, then tap on Manage. Now select Deactivation or Deletion, then select Deactivate Account. Now tap on Continue. Now enter your password, then tap on Continue to deactivate Facebook. Once Facebook has been deactivated, launch open Messenger. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom, then tap on the Settings option. Once you get here, find See More in Account Center option. Now go ahead and tap on Manage Accounts. Then you simply want to select your Messenger account from here, then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select Deactivate account, then enter your password to confirm. In this way, you can easily deactivate Messenger account. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.